Ready to launch your career success? Manatee Technical College can put you on the path to a great career. My name is Omar Edwards, an Assistant Director at our main campus and your host. To ensure your safety, you can experience all that we have to offer through this virtual tour. Here are some things that make this a special place. Fast track your career and start earning sooner. Choose from over 50 programs, many of which provide a career in a year. Learn from industry professionals who pass on their expertise through hands-on training. Become an essential worker by learning in-demand skills that area employers need. Choose from the flexibility of both day and evening classes. Find out if you qualify for financial aid. Applying at Manatee Technical College is easy. Visit our website to apply now and enjoy your tour.
Manatee Technical College offers relevant and essential training that provides our students with a pathway to success. With over 50 career-focused programs, our students learn the skills that are essential to the future success of our area and that are in demand by local business and industry. Over 90% of our students find a job in their chosen field after successfully completing their program.
Hello, I'm Dr. Valerie Vyans, the Director of Manatee Technical College. Here at MTC, we're focused on providing our students with the tools they need to achieve career success. At our main campus, we have a variety of programs that provide skilled training for our area's in-demand professions and give our students an opportunity to improve their lives overall. Careers in construction are plentiful in our area. These programs prepare students to design, plan, manage, build and maintain the built environment. Our programs include building trades and construction design technology, carpentry, drafting, electrician, and heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. Students enrolled in our transportation-related programs are often offered jobs before they graduate. These programs include automotive service technology, auto collision technology, and marine service technologies. Manufacturing is an important part of our local economy, and we offer programs that support this industry, including advanced manufacturing and production technology, CNC production specialist, electrical and instrumentation technology, industrial technology, machining technologies, and welding technology. If you're interested in a career in salon services, MTC offers top-notch training from experienced professionals in barbering, cosmetology, facials, nails, or massage therapy. Careers in arts and communication continue to be important in our community. Our programs include digital design, digital photography, digital video technology. These programs prepare students to design, produce, exhibit, perform, write, and publish multimedia content. If the world of business and management appeals to you, we have 4 different options: accounting operations, administrative office specialist, legal administrative specialist, and business management and analysis, each preparing our students in time management, customer service, and communication. We live in an area where hospitality and tourism drive the economy, and where food and food service related jobs are key to making Manatee and Sarasota counties popular tourist destinations. Baking and pastry arts, fundamental food service skills, and professional culinary arts and hospitality provide training in restaurant and food and beverage services. If information technology is your passion, check out computer systems and information technology, web development, and applied cybersecurity. Our East Campus focuses on programs that train essential workers who service the public and at the same time provide stable, rewarding careers in the fields of health and safety. We have a large variety of health-related programs. These include dental assisting technology and management, emergency medical technician, and paramedic. Or you can choose medical assisting, medical coder biller, medical laboratory assisting, and nursing assistant. Other allied health programs include optometric assistant, patient care technician, pharmacy technician, practical nursing, and surgical technology. For those looking for a satisfying career in law and public safety, we offer firefighter and EMT combined, and the Law Enforcement Academy. Our West Campus offers adult basic education. Courses include GED preparation and English for speakers of other languages. These courses prepare students with the academic skills needed for employment. At Manatee Technical College, our instructors and staff are here for one reason: to prepare you for a successful life-enhancing career. If you're a young person who is looking toward the future or someone already in the workforce looking for positive change, I urge you to contact one of our career counselors and see what opportunities await you.
Let's hear from several of our instructors and graduates who will give you even more reasons to take the first step towards career success by enrolling in Manatee Technical College.
100% of my students have been employed in the field, so we're 100% compliant right now with jobs in the field.
My name is Amber Serena. I'm an associate coding specialist at Sarasota Memorial Hospital. 3 years ago, my goal was to change my career and work from home so I could spend more time with my family. And MTC helped me meet that goal. The idea of going back to school can be a scary thought, but with MTC's Career in a Year, it really is a launch pad into a better life. Before the program even ended, I had my first job offer at a very respectable salary.
Hey, I'll tell you what, if you're one of those students out there on the fence deciding whether or not you're going to go to a 4-year school or go to a 2-year school or come here to MTC and have a career in a year, there's no doubt in my mind where you should be. You should be here at MTC because, you know, if you can have a career in a year, honestly, this is the place to be.
If you're thinking about going to MTC, it's a great choice. The classes are amazing, the teachers are great, and the new facility is awesome. Getting a job I thought was going to be very difficult when I left MTC, but I actually got my job before I even graduated. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'd have to give my education at MTC a 10 because my teacher there was amazing. He taught me so much more than just what I needed to learn for the class. I learned a lot of life lessons there too.
Your future begins with a choice, a first step, a move towards success. Take that step in the right direction and explore the opportunities at MTC.